Hey Shiba Inu holders, so there's some really good news you need to hear today. So be sure to drop a like. I'm gonna be telling you everything that's happening with the crypto market today, but this is really exciting. Shiba Inu SHIB attracts heavy buying pressure as 90% investors keep it on buy and only 10% on sell. So most people on Coinbase are in fact buying right now. With that being said, this is really awesome news. So if we check over here, we click on this, 90% of the people are buying SHIB right now and 10% are selling. Maybe the 10% are actually whales. Nobody knows, but this is huge. This is really big news as Coinbase, which recently got SHIB on board, saw record-breaking volumes after new investors threw in their money on the coin, and now a quick search on its resources so that Shiba Inu's buying pressure is increasing and its sell orders are declining steadily. So this does in fact indicate that Shiba Inu's trading activity shows a staggering 90% of investors have placed their coin on a buy, while 9.8% of investors keep it on sell. The buying pressure is a good indicator that SHIB's price would shoot up on when the market recovers after China declared all cryptocurrency activity as illegal. So thank you so much for dropping a like. I'll keep you updated with this news for free if you drop a like and subscribe. But apart from gaining buying pressure, another feature on Shiba Inu's hat is that more than 1 million investors have to keep it on their watch list, and at least half of them are expected to take an entry point at an appropriate time. Surprisingly, Shiba Inu has stayed true to its tagline to Dogecoin. Well, you know what? As it seems to have elbowed Doge in the watch list section. While 1.1 million investors have added SHIB to their watch list, Doge has 1 million SHIB as just 10,000 watch list away from its rival. Shiba Inu has achieved all its features with no celebrity backing and single-handedly raced ahead in the crypto market by delivering Shiba Swap, being listed on the major exchanges, and became the third most talked about cryptocurrency in the world, only behind Bitcoin and Ethereum according to a research published by Eco-Analyst. So whales have also started talking entry positions in Shiba Inu, and Etherscan.io shows several investors purchasing billions of coins and pumped in millions of dollars in the token. Several investors would turn out to be millionaires the day Shiba Inu reaches 1 cent, and the day it touches $1, which probably won't, but who knows. Early investors can have earned generational wealth. Generational, it will last forever. Shiba Inu yachts, here we come, but be careful because a lot of these predictions are saying that it's gonna crash. I don't believe the predictions anymore. I'm believing where Bitcoin goes, and that's the most important factor for me. But which one of these is happening first? I definitely do hope SHIB hits 10th of a penny. Bitfinex just paid 24 million in transaction fees to send 100,000, and the reason is unknown. And it does seem like a lot of people are fudding. Why would they even do that? And you could check over here. Bitfinex just paid 23 million in Ethereum transaction to send 100k worth of Tether, the future of finance. But it does seem they are just testing right now. They're just testing these things. So they have tested the transaction that this is going to be given back. So a lot of Ethereum was in fact, burned with this. But anyone else feel like crypto is the only chance? I have worked all of my life and don't have much to show for it. All of us are basically going all in on Shiba Inu, all in on cryptocurrencies. That the cryptocurrencies will change everything. And I'm in the same goal. We're all here together. My paychecks cover my bills, but don't really offer much in the means of security. And I've had an injury and getting sick. Any savings have been depleted. Rather invest quickly. I invest crypto not only because I believe in it, but because that hope can give me a better quality of life, and it's something I really need. So people invest, for the different reasons. I think I accepted the daily struggle at the fiat mines. Crypto is just a bonus chance. So, a lot of people are grinding basically. Maybe we'll get to retire someday, but basically everyone is saving money right now. After 1,000 China's crypto ban, decentralized exchanges are booming. Shiba Swap is booming. It looks like perhaps Chinese traders are showing a middle finger to new regulations, but you can see here, look at this. It does seem like some Chinese traders have actually recouped and given the money, even for Baby Swap, who we never heard before, has seen major increases. For all of these, it could be Chinese traders actually using DeFi a lot more, but we're not sure. This is the first time China has put a full ban on all crypto activities. They had previously banned things like staking and exchanges, but not all of crypto, and now they have finally banned everything, simply everything. From September 3rd, The whole crypto mining activities are illegal. Everything is illegal. You can do nothing, but DeFi has grown since of that. So this is really good news for crypto. And The Economist labels Bitcoin a Nobel Prize-winning diversification strategy. If your portfolio doesn't hold at least a little Bitcoin, then you're missing out big time. So Dogecoin fails to break downwards trend while other bad coins begin to gain. And that is something else a lot of people don't talk about. I'm no Doge fan, but this is cherry picking. Numerous coins are in this situation. And with that being said, these dogs are really cute. Doge isn't seeing as much hype as it saw before. Basically, SHIB and SMI are barking aloud. Interestingly, at the time of writing, most of the top meme coins were trading higher than the usual value, and that could be due to Coinbase listing. That could be due to Robinhood rumors or the Robinhood leaks we have been seeing. Nobody knows for sure, but market participants need to be aware that the same before buying and selling them. Dogecoin's daily chart has created quite an intriguing pattern over the last couple of months. The candlestick consistency and uniformity is clearly highlighted in the chart attached below. Irrespective of this volume traded, the coin has remained glued to the sixes since mid-August. On the good days, we could be seeing Shiba Inu growing much, much more. So a lot of these cryptocurrencies are in fact growing, except Doge. And I don't know what's happening with Doge, but amidst the bullish signals depicted by the aftermonted prominent meme tokens, the pack leader Doge hasn't been in the health of late. The state of the meme metrics have been deteriorating, and so has its price. Date from sentiment highlighted that its trading volume has remained stagnated in the 1 to 2 billion range as of late. For context, during rallies in the recent past, this metric has mostly revolted in the 5 to 7 billion range. In effect, Doge's price has depreciated by over 2% in the past day and 5% over the past week. So what's happening with Doge? If you're holding Doge, should you be worried? I think it could be a mix of Elon Musk not tweeting about Doge anymore, and also Doge, not having as much hype as it did before. Does this mean it could have another hype level? I definitely do think it will have so. Will it ever hit $1? That's something we're not sure. But in the odds of Doge joining the rally party would intensify, it would be more interesting to see if other coins are able to resurrect their cult leader. So gold has gone up 6% total in 10 years. Bitcoin has gone up 100,000% in 10 years. And Shiba Inu has gone up 36 million%. So which one would you invest in? But obviously, all of these are seeing massive increases. 10 years ago, today, gold was around 1,650 an ounce. Bitcoin was at $4.87. And Ethereum was always 4 years away from existing. Cryptocurrencies have yielded crazy returns over the past 5 to 10 years and are extremely new and compared to traditional investments. So I really wish that I actually bought something in 2016 because I would have made a lot of money. But today, Bitcoin is over 40K. It's accepted as a legitimate currency at vendors all over the world and has introduced decentralized finance, a blockchain technology, which is revolutionizing the world. So it's definitely going to stay that way. It's definitely going to have a lot more hype. The chance to basically go sideways for 10 years is usually extremely risky. There's an enormous amount of lost potential gains, and it's still very risky to put your money into something like that. Far less risky would be an investment that is being adopted all over the world and has a 5x smaller market cap with real technology behind it. The entire crypto market cap still has less than 20% of the market cap of gold, less than 3% of the market cap of the global stock market, and less than 2% of the market cap of the global bond market. So it's still super early for crypto overall. The space is extremely new and it has seen massive returns to be had. If we see the returns to the stock market, the global stock market. But crypto is only 3% right now, and we would see a 33x increase, and I would be really excited for that. But I'm bullish on crypto as anyone, but this kind of statement doesn't really mean anything. It could be just easily replaced. If Bitcoin drops to the price it was 6 years ago, it will fall 99%. If gold falls to the price it was 6 years ago, it will fall 5%. So our assets are only purchased for growth. They could be purchased for basically protection. And the big thing and the big difference between gold is gold is stable, but right now people don't want stable anymore. People cannot afford to invest into things that are stable. Rich people who are already massively rich, billionaires, can afford to invest thousands and thousands of kilos of gold or tons of gold because they have a lot of money. People who want to see massive returns are either investing in stocks, or they're investing in a much riskier thing that is crypto, such as SHIB. And with that being said, there's so much money to be made in crypto. Be sure to follow me for more updates. And until next time, peace everyone.